iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Welcome to the weekend. Ahly versus Mamelodi Sundowns, round 2. Tapelo Merena scored the winning goal in the first match. It was beautiful. And then Kenneth Mwene, for some reason, became Spider-Man momentarily, Superman momentarily, Batman momentarily. He saved a last-minute header from Ahly. Mamelodi Sundowns came back from Egypt with a 3-point and 1-0 win. Junior Khanye, our analyst here, maybe let's cast our eyes back to that game. That game was close. Ahly could have won it. Do you think they will carry any momentum in Sundowns? We went to your home and we beat you. That will give them confidence for tomorrow. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Lengonye ethu uBenedict Sovila kazila ngaphakathi no Justice. Ebafethu kunjani keep on supporting iDiskiTV fighting no one to try to fix South African football.
Yalazi igama lakhe lesinto uBenedict.
Mapakazi.
Lesinto igama lakhe.
Akusubongani.
Uyanqanda.
Akusubongani.
Uyasiva.
Akusubongani. Ubongani.
Either ubongani or bafana but awuthi Grootman. So amaGrootman awabizwa ngegama. It's either bongani or bafana. I didn't get to Gulbiza just become a limoe. Ali call it a IT car, man. I go all to work. What you when I'm done, I was on Mapahaz. Sundowns Ahly. Sundowns are winner away from home. They are back now here. What would they have learned from that game? I mean, they've played many games before after that game now. Bashaya, Bawina Gunet Bank Cup, Bashaya, Marisburg United. But the mental victory of knowing we went to Egypt and we came back with 3 points.
Yeah, Angulego, a very intensity game. Intensity game, baby. Being
high intensity game.
Yeah, high intensity game. Intensity game. But I sort of 3-4-3-2. Similar players, type of system, similar type of players. But I don't find philosophy. They share the ball with era right. But home ground advantage and fans.
Oh yeah, there were maybe 5,000 fans.
Yeah, especially
when you could hear them.
Yeah, but Ahly layer 3 years back is not the same. But definitely,
yeah, well,
they are very happy with
it. They won Champions League twice in a row.
Yeah,
and they are defending champions.
Yeah,
still.
And that's why they extended 2 years, another 2 years from Upito. Yes. So clearly, frustrated because of you like it or not. Their campaign is tactically. There's something else. Tactically. You had to go to gap. You had to go to space.
Yeah.
You needed to be clever, especially more than the middle. You needed to be comfortable. They were not scared to each other. In Sundowns, in most, they never spend the Ipola go afiabo like usually they do. Beba spend the half Ipola beba final suge lingene afini Ahly. Yeah, but my opponent they take it came to Sundowns. From the first to see the moment Pekwa was so afini we were Sundowns. They were joining. They went just wing, front wing, right and left bangena pakati joining this. Unfortunately, strikers are game. They never
Mohamed Sheriff, number 10.
Sheriff, yeah. He never came to the party. I think it's the guy where I wins a different kaku. No matter team I sparky. Yeah, but that day he was I think it's Sundowns that he make by Inzi. In any into midfielder Sundowns credit to them. Namasapo abo uguza kwa Ashmin Domingos was substitute to Charlie. Magangena he never dropped the game.
Yeah. And Domingos as well added value.
Yeah, especially front Magangena. Umrena bamtalisa. Ngobute Magangena. The goal he scored is something else.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
Beautiful, good technique.
Yeah.
Al permanent sell out goalkeeper we are corner. So good campaign easy. It was the final before the final.
Absolutely. They take momentum now. Obviously, Ahly Beidlala midweek. Mohamed Sheriff has got his scoring puts back. They also have Opesitao back now to full fitness as well. That first game he was doubtful, but now he keeps on playing these matches and they're winning. Sundowns is also winning at home as well. Tomorrow, what kind of game do you think we're gonna see? Because Sundowns have 7 points, Ahly have 4 points, Al-Merrikh have 4 points. Sundowns, all they need is a draw, or maybe one more win, and they are number 1. They are confirmed to the quarterfinal. Ahly, they cannot afford to sleep up in more games.
I'm not too sure if you have some fans.
Yeah, it's South Africa, unfortunately.
It's more of neutral.
Yeah.
It's more for neutral.
Well, our conditions are not neutral. Coming to South Africa, playing at 3 p.m.
I understand.
Playing at 3 p.m. in Pretoria, it feels different. Remember when they lost 5-0? It was at 3 p.m. in Pretoria, and they couldn't handle those conditions.
Yeah, well, Upito, obviously, as a coach is familiar with this. Says Pesita as well, job full fitness. Yeah. But Skulmang team la manje, Ahly, obviously, lang zobanking. Yabo, lapo you're making a point, and a knock the ground. Yabo, but a good player is a good player. La. Sometimes this thing which psychological their players they motivate themselves to playing home. We don't want to let the country down. Swing it away, why not? Yeah. So it's a final. I'm afraid to anything can happen. It's not, we don't have to fool ourselves. These are 4 coaches, sometimes 3, whereby I give credit to them these 3 coaches, especially Uza so manji. I'm convinced whereby sometimes I'm a support minang ninkinga. Yeah, but no I'm a favor, but credit the way team yabo is been playing. They playing gune identity whereby they're very dangerous. Team yabo, you will never know. They suppress so many people each and every even if about telling a team 1 in 5 games, whoever that they playing him, I'm not too sure how they prepare him, but he's delivering. Credit to those coaches and the winning games. Game I believe me na their performance by winning 6 Baba Rupi.
Yes.
Sundowns is always Sundowns. Irrespective if they lose in their style.
Well, the last game, what was particularly obvious and what got people talking was that the last game you gave it to Al Ahly. You were confident that Al Ahly at home were going to win. And I understand that because Al Ahly is Al Ahly. They're the defending champions. However you look at it, they were the favorites in that game, but they lost. Tomorrow, what is your strong feeling? Are you in the middle, somewhere towards the Sundowns or Al Ahly?
Yeah, Sundowns is going to win the game. Al Ahly, they will want to score very early. They will push numbers forward. But the Sundowns are obvious, but they will be eliminated. Mshishi once can start the game. Also playing this guy Savadra. What is
Savadra, man, but he's still injured.
We're not too sure. I heard Ngati.
Yeah, doubtful, but he hasn't played any match in the past 2 weeks.
Even if he is not going to play, but sometimes they always have Abu Kapinga, they always have Abu Ashmin Tomigos players that are playing there. But initially there's a cold poucher, sort of a cold poucher. So Sundowns Sasanya Niga. Al Ahly, yes, pound to pound they can compete with Sundowns. Coach, tactically, how they attack, I'm not too sure defending up. Defending they end up pushing too much, especially sometimes playing here, they will cut them. Especially once they play speed to Mrena. Because he has scored last game, but I'm sure they're forced to play him. But Sundowns are 7 games. So, me na good game in Sundowns advantage. They're playing home, there's no fans, yes, but atmosphere in terms of ilang, alright. It's gonna play a role. Those players psychologically with Sundowns, they feel more confident. Al Ahly psychologically as well, they're playing away. Anybody on the to very tremendous under pressure. Yeah, but under pressure.
Yeah, they need to collect points.
But under pressure, as 4 points, as Wusho,
to 40 club, they go 4 points.
4 points, and Sundowns is 7 points. Yeah. They need a throw. They don't have a pressure, but to keep shape. Kulmang Sundowns, they're going to keep the shape, but keep shape. Sundowns, I know they will play. They don't. Those players, I love them at Sundowns and their coaches. Mentality, no matter they winning or whatever. Even if they can win this league now, 7 games, they will be professional. They will run a score, win games. That's the mentality that they've had.
All right, you backing Sundowns to win?
Yeah, I love Pizzo. Truly speaking, he's got a couple of players, especially Minalekri, comparing years, 4 years. But definitely, as Wusho, he record manager recently been doing well. Marak Sasa. Sundowns are going to chance to Mr. Simon. Sundowns going to win the game.
There you go. That's Junior Khanye. Then remember the last time you were not happy that he was backing Piso Musimane. Of course, it's his analysis and his prediction that will never change. Whatever is on his mind, he will tell you. Tomorrow he's saying Sundowns. We shall find out then at 3 p.m. iDiskiTV, iDiski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching.